Well, hi, um, I'm Noel, and I'm here to make a presentation on our project. Our project is about plants, specifically about orchids, and yeah, and this is our project. There's three parts to it. This is the first part, which is intended for a museum setting. We planned on putting these screens um, on a museum display inside the museum so that you could. Okay, no me digan. Um, yeah, we intended it for the museum, for the Natural History Museum of London, and yeah, basically it's just like a orchid catalog of the species that exist in the UK, and you have a simple selector for to pick which one you want to see, and then it takes you to a separate page, which wouldn't be a separate page because it's just one screen with the information that you wanted to see. And we've got some pictures, and we've got some text, some explanation of what it is, and then a map. And the map, it's got the evolution of the plant uh, in different decades. So yeah, and this would be um, the part of the project that is intended for adults because it's got the most information, and the map is the most complicated one. And you also have a simple language selector. Yeah, it, we didn't do the other languages, but it technically would take you to a separate page with another language. Yeah, and there's three parts to it. This is the first part. Second part, it's intended for younger people, the children, but not small children, like 14 to 16 or something like that, because it's like a little bit less information in the map area, which makes it less complicated, more simple. But the information that is in text is almost the same, and the images are always the same. It's different flowers, but the information is yeah, according to the flower. And yeah, it works exactly the same way. We have a different scrolling system. This one's sideways, which is easier in a way, like. And yeah, the language selector works the same, and everything works the same. Then we've got this one, which is a little bigger. Is for smaller children, and it's like more clear. You don't have the names of the plants, because yeah, and the information is displayed in a slightly different way. You don't have massive blocks of text that children wouldn't read. Yeah, it's way more simple. Yeah, and the style is all the same. And this one has a selector on the secondary page as well, so they can jump between flowers without having to go back. They can still go back and pick a different one. But yeah, that would be it. Do I show the code? Do I show the code of it? If I want, okay, I don't want. Okay, so yeah, that would be it. It's not a complicated infographic, but I think it does its job pretty well. And yeah, that would be it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.